Yes, $45 to $51 per audio hour. People are literally making this money typing from the comfort of their homes. If you do not want to take this chance, I don't know what you're waiting for, but making 45 to 51 per audio hour. And this is found. Jumbo, and welcome to Aggie's Vine. If you are new, subscribe and join the Vines. Already a Vine, welcome back. Yes, I have 4 websites that you can go and apply to become a transcriber. This is the easiest way to make money online by typing, by converting audio tapes into text. And most of these websites will guide you and will tell you what you need to do. Now, some of these websites might not be available in worldwide, but I will let you know the ones that are available worldwide and which ones are available in your region. Now, AAA Transcription, this is a legit website for transcription. It's Australian based. They pay through PayPal and they start by around $17 an hour. Now we can check this out online and you will be able to see how much you're potentially able to make. Basically what you'll be doing is just converting audios into texts, and you get paid at least $17 an hour. And the second website for transcription is Daily Transcription. Now, Daily Transcription is in the US, UK, Australia, and Canada. I'm not sure if they're available in other countries. They could be, but for sure, I know those 4 regions is where Daily Transcription normally hires their transcriptionists. And for these, you need a computer, you need a transcription software, and you need a headset and a phone. And they will pay you from $45 to $51 per audio hour. Third website is HappyScribe. HappyScribe are only in countries that will accept Wise as a form of payment. So you may want to go into your website and see if your country accepts Wise as a form of payment, because that's the only way HappyScribe will pay you. And their pay begins from $59.04 dollars per audio hour. And then the last website on today's list is Casting Words. This one is worldwide and they do pay through PayPal, which I know PayPal is available in majority or most of the countries worldwide. So you want to go ahead also and check out Casting Words if you want to do typing as a part-time side hustle from home. There is potential to earn thousands of dollars with these jobs online. I know a lot of people who are doing transcription online. If you've been looking for a job, or if you're looking for an extra side hustle, you can turn these online jobs to your full-time gig or to your just part-time side hustle if you're looking to make that extra money. So you make as much money as you put in the hours, because like I said, for example, with HappyScribe, they will pay you $59 per audio hour. So if you work like 8 hours a day, I mean, you do the math, 59 times 8, that's potentially how much money you will be able to make. So if you've been looking for a typing job, this is your opportunity. Visit those 4 websites and you're guaranteed to land yourself a typing job with either one of them. Like I promised in my video, I wanted to walk you through some of these transcription websites, and this is how AAA transcription website looks like. You just go to AAAtranscription.com and you get into the website, and this is the introductory part of the website. They tell you all about their rates, what they do, their standard rates per audio hour, which is $1.20, which translates to the $17 an hour if you work for a full hour. So basically how it works, an easy 4-step process. They walk you through it, how to enter your details, the transcriptions, how to make payments, and all of that, or rather how they go about making your payments. So basically they have a range of things they transcribe, and I just wanted to walk you through them, the types of transcription they do. So they have general business, and as you can see on the list, I mean, they have a whole bunch of things that they do transcription for. So general business, conference calls, dictation notes, business meetings, focus groups, keynote address, insurance, interviews, market research, secretarial, video conference. I mean, the list is pretty long. And then in the media industry, they do transcription for interviews, post-production, reality TV, podcasts, video captions, And when it comes to academics and nonprofit, they have the thesis notes, dissertations, lectures, speeches, all the way to the bottom. So you want to go to AAA transcription.com and get started. So the next website is Daily Transcription, and this is how Daily Transcription looks like. It's a US-based website, and like I said, you will need to have a computer, transcription software, headset, and or headphone. And like I say, this website is only applicable to people living in the US, UK, Australia, and Canada. So basically, you go to the website, and this is how it looks. You want to become a freelancer, so you press on that, and it takes you to where you can start applying for your transcription jobs. So if you're interested in transcription, this is where you get started. They do give you their benefits for working for them, which is flexibility. You get paid every week. They pay higher rates than anybody else out there. According to them, they actually start from $45 an hour to $51 per audio hour. So they're basically saying their competitors, Rave, TranscribeMe, Transcription, Puppy, Scribby, and many more do not match up to their pay. So that's a good thing to know. You also receive training, feedback, coaching. Beginner transcriptionists can make from $350 to $1,250 per week, and you get paid every week. So once you get to the website, you want to come down and click on whichever one you want to be. If you want to be a transcriptionist, a captioner, or a Spanish transcriptionist, there are options as to what you can choose. So this is HappyScribe. Basically, they are rated 4.8 out of 5 based on 850 plus reviews. They have a state-of-the-art AI working side by side with the best language professionals. So they have that AI tech installed in their platform, so it can help you transcribe a lot faster and a lot easier, which is a big plus. And as you can see, they've been used by companies like BBC, Forbes, Spotify, United Nations, DPA. So this is a credible and legit company to transcribe with. It's called HappyScribe, and you go and get started. So they support languages. These are the languages they also support as far as transcribing. So English, French, Spanish, Germany, Dutch, Portuguese, Italian, Polish. Now, the thing with HappyScribe is that you have to reside in a country that accepts Wise as a form of payment. So that's the only catch with HappyScribe. So go ahead and check if your country accepts Wise as a form of payment, because that's the only way HappyScribe pays their transcribers. Last website I had walked you through is Casting Words, and this is how Casting Words looks like. It's castingwords.com. So this is transcription made fast and easy. Once you go through their website, you get to see what it's all about, what your potential of making is, and then you get to see their clients at the bottom. This includes Microsoft, ABC, NASA, BBC. They've worked with global companies. Go ahead and get started in these websites and let me know once you land a job, because my goal here is to make sure that you land a job online that enables you to make that extra money. So it will really mean a lot to me if you land that job. You can come back to my videos and comment that you are one of those people that have been able to get a job through watching these videos. I would really, really appreciate it. Well, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, Kwaheri.